Hi, I'm Priyanka. I come from India. I've been staying in Germany from past couple of years. Recently, I graduated from WBS coding school. I am now a full stack web and app developer. Prior to this, I had worked as a database admin, but I did not have much of coding experience. I've always had a passion for web and all things digital, so I enrolled for this course and started learning coding. It's been a great experience, and I've been really happy with the results.
Hi, my name is Selma and I live in Munich, Germany. For a long time, I was curious about programming, but only when we had our first lockdown, I had some time to rethink my life. That's when I participated in the first hackathon, and that was the point of no return. I decided to change my career. First, I took some online courses for UX design, cybersecurity, and I bought many books. I enjoyed it, but also I felt lost. That's when I joined WBS coding school, and it was an amazing experience. I see how much I learned, especially when I compared to these first few projects. Now I can use JavaScript, React, MongoDB, Node.js, many other programs to create apps that I want, and that feels so good. It feels empowering, and it feels even better than I thought. I see a big potential in a way I can grow from here and in things I can do. And that's why I'm so happy and proud to present Share Your Meal app that my team and I created.
Hello, my name is Yuki Grosbüsch and I have recently graduated from the WBS coding school. Coding is a career change for me. Over the last 16 years, I've run my own café in Berlin-Friedrichshain. Still, I do have a scientific background, having studied physics when I was young. And over the last 2 years, I felt I also wanted to work in a more technical direction again. That's why I enrolled in a bootcamp for full stack web and app development. And I'm very happy I made this decision, so today I can present the final project I made for this bootcamp together with my colleagues Selma and Priyanka.
So I, along with my teammates Selma and Yuki, have created this app. It's called as Share Your Meal. It's about meeting people to share your meal, but online. So it's not supposed to be meeting people in park or restaurant. This idea was born from an experience that many people miss, the casual encounter. For example, meeting somebody in while waiting in the bakery, or while waiting for the bus, or something like that. So we decided to recreate this whole experience online, to be able to again not eat alone but eat with somebody else. So this is how the app looks like. At the bottom, you have a small intro. What is this app all about? And you can either log in this application by registering it and then log in, or directly jump in as a guest user. So this is to avoid, in case if somebody wants to just quickly log in instead of giving in a long information about themselves and then registering it. So now I'm going to jump in as a guest user. So I click on start, and it will take me to this page. Even though you have logged in as a guest user, you will have to give some of the information about yourself. So this is going to make it easier for you when you want to connect with other people. So I'm going to show you how. So first, for example, you can choose what country you are from. For example, I am from India, so I click on India. Languages, I speak English, I speak German, and Hindi. And you can also choose the communications style, if you want. Are you a speaker or a listener or both? So I will give both and connect. Oops, I forgot to enter my name, and then I give connect. So it's going to take me to this page. I will pass on to my colleague Selma. She's going to explain you how can you make a call and other things, other features of this application in detail.
Thank you, Priyanka. Once I click on the connect button on the guest form, I'll come to this page where I can see the video of myself already. Other people cannot see me yet. I see some chat on the side. Who's that? Janina said hi all. I will text back. Hi Janina. And I also see some users who are already connected. There's a nice feature where I can I can filter. Let's say I want to speak with somebody from India. In this case, oh, I see Priyanka is here, so I'll call Priyanka. And this chirping sound is just for me to know that I'm calling somebody and waiting for a reply. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, Selma. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, and you?
Doing great. So, did you see my profile picture when you called me?
No, I did not see your picture, and that's on purpose. So because this is not like dating app, so it's meant to connect people, random people that, like, let's say you meet in café, and you have a chat with somebody. Also, it's a nice feature because you can connect people with countries. If you're traveling to some countries and you're interested in the culture, you can do that. Or if you want to practice your language, you're learning some new language, you want to improve it, or just to make sure you do speak the same language. And yeah, it's more like a casual encounter. So
And
okay,
what's that gong?
yes, this is a gong that marks last minute. Normally it should be 20 minutes long, but just for demonstration we made it last 2 minutes. But always in the last minute the gong will sound, and there's a last minute message displayed just to be sure that you know. And over on the top you can see the yellow progress bar, which shows you how much time we have left. And also this concept of timed call helps you to avoid this awkward who's gonna hang up and how do I find excuse to go. So it's a really app that it's easy to leave, let's say, and that's one of the benefits. And now the video will fade out, so I won't see you anymore. Bye.
Bye.
And bye. And now we are back on the welcome page. We can log in again or not. And I will hand it to Yuki, and she will explain you and show you how you look like when you get a call. Up to you, Yuki.
Thank you, Selma. So I'm going to show you now what it looks like when you receive a call. And as you can see, I'm already connected as Yuki, and I'm waiting for someone to call me. Who might be that? Oh, I see Janina from the Bahamas is calling me. So I'm already getting some basic information about the person who's calling, the country, and the languages they speak. And I have two options: sorry, no, that means I can reject, or yes, please. And in this case, of course, yes, please. So, hi, Janina.
Hi, Yuki. How are you?
Ah, I'm fine. How are you?
Hi, I would love to chat, but someone's at my door. Is there a way we can make this call earlier?
Oh, yes, of
Thank
course. You
you.
don't have to wait for the whole 2 minutes until the automatic call ending. You can always use the little hang up button in the bottom right corner. So I guess we're going to use this one now. Goodbye and see you some other time.
Bye.
Bye. And I'm being thrown back to the welcome page. And this was the version when you accept, but as you saw, there's also the little button of sorry, no. And we're going to try this one now. There, I'm getting a call from Jack from Argentina, but actually, I think I have to finish this now, so sorry, no. But I can still send him a message and say, sorry, I am busy now, and send this. And because I'm actually really busy, I also disconnect, and I'm being thrown to the welcome page again. And yes, with this little app, we wanted to recreate this randomness of real life encounters and like this bring back a bit of relief to people during lockdown. and also maybe afterwards, because in the end, there's always going to be someone in the world who wants to share their meal.